Hey guys, welcome back to our JavaScript DSA series. So in this video, we learn what is the substring basically. So substring is substring is a smaller part of the string that is extracted from the original string, and it allows you to isolate the specific range of the character from within the string. That means if you have one string, like I show you from the example, like o- original original string. So we take some example like hello, hello word example we are taking. And if you want to substring means if you see the definition of the substring is then smaller part of your original string. Suppose you create the substring of that original string. Suppose you want that hello word. So how it's an substring basically, let your substring is an original string, and then it's substring of whatever you want to print. Suppose you want to hello, so hello is started from the zero index, so you need zero, and how it is end. So this we are looking in the first our video, like indexing. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 is an semicolon, but we don't want the semicolon, so we ended at the semicolon. So we put the 5 as our ending index. So we see now the console. What are the console of that substring is print. Console.log substring is basically, now if we run our program, node our substring, then see hello is printing. If you want the word, so how is the word? So it's 5, 6, and 7. W is starting from 7. If you don't give the 7, if you don't give their particular ending index, if you only give the starting index, is fine, because in the whatever in the word is printing the above that starting index. So if you now you can run your program string. So see word is printing. So it's just a simple basic example, right? So we are looking some medium level example. Suppose you have a name like Rajesh. So we take the example of Rajesh. So this question is mostly asking in the interview, guys. So remember this example, like what are the substring of that Rajesh? So first is an R, then sorry, guys, this is an R, then RA, then RAJ, then RAJE, then RAJE. Yes, then RAJE SH, and then again start from A, then AJ, then AJE, up to the this happen up to the this will be the happen up to the edge. Then we see that example, and now we run the code, guys. Basically, this is the code is running. So, for running the code, we are take the example of the for loop. For loop we are using for running the our name. So we create the function one simple normal function, and function is take our whatever the our input string we are taking, whatever our input string, then this input string inside that we directly call our loop for loop. You know that we learned previously the for loop and while loop. So in for loop we take the let I variable, and it's starting from the zero, and I is my less than I input string dot length whatever our input string. Then we increase the I plus plus. Again we take one substring for generating the substring variable. Let substring it takes an empty first, and after that we need our second for loop for let running second j loop. Suppose j is take from the j is starting from our I, and j is whenever j is ending is our input string dot length. Okay, then again we increase our j also. And what I need to print RA. Suppose our string is R Rajesh, but in RA, so that's printing. So we need to add that substring our substring. So my substring become increasing up to substring is equal to our input string, whatever our input string of the J loop. Okay, guys. So I hope you understand. And then its console is printing our substring. We print our substring here. So basically what happened, right? So suppose there we declare some example. Okay. So the name, then we take example of Rajesh, and run our sorry guys, here we are not making suppose we call the function generate substring generate substring, okay, is and sub, and then we call our function generate substring of our name. So we call our Rajesh name here. So what happened? So Rajesh is passing to our generate sub input string. So first running as a for loop, as I is a 0 means our I is an R. So R is a, goes inside the I loop, and the substring is first empty. Then J loop is running from the I is a 0. That means R to our length, R to ESH. Then J again increase, and substring become R to our RA, RAJ, RJ, ESH. Then our output is like printing as per our expectations. So we run our program now. See guys. So whatever you want, see, and you if you dry run this code, so you understand how it's going. So first is an R, RA, RAJ, RSS, then A up to the EH guys. So we dry run this code. So we know that our input string is Rajesh. So first then 0 up to the length, I plus plus, then substring first as an empty, then R is taking as an I, so R to length. So R first is an R, taking in R, then again A, R, A, R, A, J, R, E, S, S. So guys, I have practiced a lot, that's why it's possible. But if you practice as an dry run, so you can also make that example even the easy, because this example are asking to the interview, and it's help a lot for the if you practicing daily, or some takes a new name. Suppose you want to your name like Pankaj, so if you take some another example and try to run as and by using the for loop, so you understand how is working and how it's printing our expected output. So guys, practice this example because it's mostly asking interview. My interview they are asking that same example, make the interview easier. And bye bye guys. Let's if you like the video, please subscribe my channel, and also like hit the like button. For upcoming videos, we are making some interesting DSA problem. For they are help you to interview crack the interview.